Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. Guys, look what I just got from my backyard. Two big old cucumber. Two big cucumbers. So of course I'm gonna be making some cucumber juice. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so I've already washed my cucumbers. I've also gone ahead and cut the tips off, and the ingredients that I'll be using for the cucumber juice are some ginger, 2 limes, and some honey, and of course the honey is optional. So right now I'm just gonna go ahead and slice the cucumbers for my juicer, because I'm doing it in the juicer. If you have a blender, you can chop them finely, put them in the blender with some water and blend it, but I'm using a juicer, so I don't need any water. I don't need to chop them finely. So I'm just gonna slice it down in the middle like that, then slice this one. And that one is ready. This one. And then I'll do the same for this one. And that's it. So now we're gonna juice them in the juicer with the ginger. Alright everyone, so I'm done juicing the ginger and the cucumbers. So now it's time to add the remaining ingredients, which is the lime and the honey. Alright, so first I'm gonna be adding the lime juice. And I have 2 limes that I'm gonna be juicing and putting in there. And I didn't add any water to the cucumber juice. It's 100%. Alright, so the next half of the lime. Alright, and now I'm gonna be adding the honey. And remember guys, the honey is optional, and the amount that you want is in the juice is totally up to you. I don't want mine to be too sweet, so I'm not going to be adding a lot. That's it. So I'm just going to stir that in, and then I'll serve it, and you see how delicious it looks. And there you have it guys, delicious and healthy cucumber juice. And cucumber juice is naturally hydrating and contains minerals like potassium and magnesium, and it also helps with weight loss. So go ahead, try this recipe and let me know in the comment section how you like it. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next video.